In this video, I want to show you how to find your unreconciled transactions that exist in your checking account, your savings account, your money market, your credit card. You get the idea. This video is just showing you how to find it. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to find it. From there, you'll be able to figure out if you need help with the problems that you're experiencing. But I just wanted to get you a starting point, so that's what this video is. Okay, let's get started. So let's go ahead and go to your checkbook register. There's a handful of ways to get there. One of them is from the home screen. You can go to your checking. And then on the right hand side of your screen, you can say go to bank register. Once you're at the bank register and once you get rid of the pop-ups, you can click the drop down on the top to select whichever account you want to work on. In this case, I want to look at and think about my checking account. I know that I have some things here that are reconciled and some things that are not. I know that when I look at my reconciliation report, I have things that are outstanding and I want to take a look at them and identify what to do with them. Let me show you how to get to that list. You can get to the list by either identifying what date you're reconciled through and then selecting the funnel and saying, gosh, QuickBooks, can I see when the reconcile status is not reconciled? And can you show me data all the way through the date that my account was last reconciled? Once I do that and select apply, QuickBooks will isolate and only show me the things that are sitting here that are unreconciled. The other way you can get to this list is you can go to reconcile. You can go to history by account in the upper right hand corner. Then you can take a look at your reconciliation. I did one reconciliation a moment ago so that I could generate this report. When you're looking at this, you might see a longer list. You can just go to the right and click on View Report. This is going to show you your reconciliation report. When you look at this report, you're going to see the things that have cleared. Those are the things that showed up on your bank statement that you reconciled. You're also going to see the things that are uncleared. This is sectioned off, so you have the uncleared checks and payments as of the statement date, the uncleared deposits as of the statement date, and then down below, uncleared checks and payments after the statement date. So the as of, that's these 2 things, and that's what we saw when we looked at the check register. This video is not to show you how to fix the things that have gone wrong, because it's an infinite number of things that can go wrong. My goal is to show you how you can find the list of things that have gone haywire and what you want to look at to fix. Let me show you one more way to take a look and identify this list. We can click on reconcile. Doesn't matter how you get to the reconcile screen. You can say, oh, I just want to see what shows up when I put this date. So 8/31/25, it doesn't matter what the ending balance is. Start reconciling. This is what you had left over when you reconciled the account. Just because you got the difference to go to 0 doesn't mean everything is resolved. You have these uncleared items. So that's 3 ways to take a look and find the uncleared items in your checking account. So then you can start to research and figure out what you want to do to fix things. If you're looking at your reconciliation, like I'm looking at this one, and you're like, okay, I need to reset it. No problem. Click on this drop down next to save for later and say close without saving. So that $1 I entered a moment ago, it's not going to hurt anything because I'm not saving my work.